In this fingerstyle guitar tutorial, we're going to take a look at Joy to the World. All right, let's briefly talk about how to kind of organize your left hand or fretting fingers for these frets that we're going to play with the left hand. As you can see, we have a few open strings here. I try to make this as easy as possible. It seems to work pretty good for beginners. So all we're trying to do right now is trying to maintain our melody. So we're going to try and play this nice melodic phrase. So you want to try and connect these as good as possible. Now, if you don't practice scales, you wouldn't know how to arrange your fretting fingers for this position. So as you can see, there's no first fret here at all. So we have 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2. So basically we're going to allocate our first finger to the second fret. So, or otherwise known as second position. So whatever the first finger will play, that's the position we're in. So if I play this without the bass, so it'll be 4. So this is our second position here. So it goes 4, 3, 1. And then 2 on the 3. There we have 4, 3, 2, 1. I think that's the most kind of important thing. So if you're trying to figure out your fretting hand fingers for your notes, try to have this. So this is an descending movement. So it means you're going lower in pitch. So you prepare that way. If we were going to ascending, it would be different here. So let's add the bass notes here. Okay, and then for my right hand, for my finger picking hand, I'm using rest strokes with the thumb, and I'm playing them very, very lightly. So all of the focus is on the melody. So when you play a melody, you don't want the bass to overpower that. Okay, let's take a look at another angle here, a little bit slower. All right, so that's the first phrase. So I'll mark the first phrase here. So I would practice that. And then our second phrase begins here with the 0. So if you look at this, we're not going too far up. The highest fret is the 5th fret. So it's basically kind of the same way of playing it. And then 4th finger on the 5th fret. And then so we have this tie here. And we're going to let the note ring all of these beats here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 1, 2, 3. And then the next phrase will begin here. So this is the end of the second phrase, so we'll play that. So I kind of put in a little bit of a rest here. You don't have to put a rest there for the bass. you can just let it ring. So we'll imagine like the pickup from the previous bar with the 0. That's the beat number 4. And you kind of heard that these two basses were very soft. So you don't want those transitions to be loud. We'll go from bar number 5 again with the 0 here from the phrase start. I'll try to go slower. Something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep moving to the next phrase with the 5 there. And what do we have here? So 4th finger on the, like that. We can use 2nd on the 3rd fret, 1st, 5, 4th finger here, and so on and so on. So try to keep this bass open, and we'll include the 5 from the previous bar, or beat number 4. I'll keep counting this because it's a little bit hard to, when you're going slower, it's a little bit hard to play it. It seems like I'm always kind of missing a beat. It's got to be counted. Try to count as much as possible. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit slower, including the previous 5 from bar number 8. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at this angle here, and we're picking up the note before on fret number 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit quicker. 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, keep in mind your melody is the most important part. If you want to listen for your basses, try to just kind of feather your thumb on the basses. They're not as in focus as the melody is. And continue on with this phrase here. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit slower. I should address the fingers here for the fretting hand. We'll go slower. 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's take a look at this angle here for the guitar. I'll keep counting slow. 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and now, I don't know if you noticed, I try and keep this note here because it's coming back here again, and it's nice when it rings over. So try and keep, or if you want to draw an anchor, you can anchor this way. So keep that note like that. Just make sure you practice your transitions between the phrases that I'm going through. So in each one of the lines, as you have the end, try to overlap it with the one before that, or the one next after that. All right, let's keep going here to the next few bars here. Bar number 15 should be easy. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a little bit more focus on the bar number 17 here. So if you're counting this, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're playing this rest stroke, so rest, what is rest? It's when you play your thumb this way and you rest on the adjacent string, it will be ready for you to play the D string, right? It's just you don't want to play the D rest stroke because we have this second fret ringing. We want that to be ringing too. So it would sound like, get our left hand fingers in here. Try to keep them organized. Yeah, this note will probably just ring up to here, unless you do a barre, unless you bar that. So how would that look like? So you'd go, you play that, and then you basically just kind of collapse your last joint this way to bar it. Something like that. You don't have to do that. Okay, I'll play from 15 again. Slow. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I'm always kind of stopping my sound, so I'm interrupting that flow of the music so that my muscle memory for the ear and for the rhythm is not being compromised as I'm just practicing one line with 3 bars on them. So that's why it's also important to overlap the ending bars here for our lines. So say between this 17 into 18, I would practice that as well. All right, so let's finish this off. And then we have a repeat there at the end. This is our repeat here. Basically, if you're playing this, play it probably twice or more times. 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice I'm counting my 4, and then on the 1, I'm shutting the music off. So let's hear that again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's it for this fingerstyle guitar lesson for Joy to the World. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments. If you are unsure how to set up your right hand, please check out the video on that. And also I have a performance of this video, so take a look at that as well. If you know somebody that can benefit from this video that also plays guitar, fingerstyle guitar, please share it with them. And then until next time, happy practicing and see you then.